This thing's been punching a hole in my back all night, Joe.
Zim, go get him. Run, get him. That's a sick Fido.
I knew I'd find a good purpose for that thing.
Hey. Come on. Come on, I'll go back to sleep. We gotta get those crooks before they get too far ahead of us.
Dad burn it, Joe. I'm so hungry I could eat a pack mule.
Yeah.
How come we didn't stop by the ranch house and pick up a sack full of grub before we left? Well, thanks a lot, pup. Hey. Hey, Joe. I smell grub cooking. You smell grub?
You know, I think I do.
Yeah. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Hoss, come on, we got some trading to do.